to all of you. On the previous turn, I have told you the synthesis of shikimic acid from dihydroshikimic acid. Now, today we will move towards the synthesis of chorismic acid, which is another key intermediate in the shikimic acid pathway, or we call it as aerogenate pathway, because it is also an important intermediate. So, before synthesis of shikimic chorismic acid, in shikimic acid, a kinase enzyme catalyzes the reaction in which phosphate group is added on the beta hydroxyl group, on this group, and one of the intermediate is formed, which is called as shikimate 3-phosphate. In this shikimate 3-phosphate, in this shikimic acid pathway, in the presence of EPSP, enol pyruvyl shikimate 3-phosphate synthase enzyme, in this phosphoenol pyruvate is then condensed. This reaction is condensation reaction. In this condensation takes place and the enol pyruvyl shikimate 3-phosphate is formed. At this juncture, this enzyme is the only target. At this juncture, EPSP synthase is the only target for the herbicide called as glyphosate, and its chemical name is N-phosphomethyl glycine. This glyphosate doesn't bind to the naked enzyme, but it competes with the EPSP. It competes with the enzyme. It competes with the enzyme S3P complex. This glyphosate binding is competitive with phosphoenol pyruvate. As a result of application of glyphosate, depletion of synthesis of aromatic amino acid pool takes place, resulting in the reduction in protein synthesis. And growth is stopped or inhibited, finally leading to the death. This glyphosate is the highly effective and broad spectrum component of Monsanto Roundup chemical. Monsanto firm, it is Monsanto's and its chemical formula is this is the formula of glyphosate. This is the formula of glyphosate. Next step in this synthesis is the synthesis of choriamic acid. Thank you.